The Galleria dell'Accademia di Firenze, or Gallery of the Academy of Florence, is an art museum in Florence, Italy. It is best known as the home of Michelangelo's sculpture David. It also has other sculptures by Michelangelo and a large collection of paintings by Florentine artists, mostly from the period 1300 to 1600, the Trecento to the late Renaissance. It is smaller and more specialized than the Uffizi, the main art museum in Florence. It adjoins the Accademia di Belle Arti or Academy of Fine Arts of Florence, but despite the name has no other connection with it. The Galleria dell'Accademia has housed the original David by Michelangelo since 1873. The sculpture was allegedly brought to the Accademia for reasons of conservation, although other factors were involved in its move from its previous outdoor location on Piazza della Signoria. The original intention was to create a Michelangelo museum, with original sculptures and drawings, to celebrate the 4th centenary of the artist's birth. Today, the gallery's small collection of Michelangelo's work includes his 4 unfinished prisoners, intended for the tomb of Pope Julius II, and a statue of St. Matthew, also unfinished. In 1939, these were joined by the Palestrina Pietà, discovered in the Barberini Chapel in Palestrina, though experts now consider its attribution to Michelangelo to be dubious.